Make a great choice today with the 2014 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, backup camera, smart device integration, cruise control, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather wrapped steering wheel, 8 speakers, compass, low tire pressure warning. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.